Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the BONK update. Today we've seen a little bit of a storm and a little bit of disappointment as well. So the disappointment happened when I actually pointed out that there was a manipulation of the candles with BONK as well. So I just so it showed you a proof that candles were manipulated. But anyways, the summary of the last video was you had a nice good pattern that you broke above, you went for the retest, made the retest, and you were actually meant to go back up to this target, and it made sense to go back up there because resistance here, and the target was out there, so that could be another resistance as well. But instead, you came down, made this fake manipulation and a fake break to the downside, and then you pop and continued even a little bit lower. So at this point of time, there are two things I want to check. Now, number one is on the daily. So if we see the daily EMA, BONK is being well supported right now. It is actually being held right at the 55 EMA. You touched 55 previously, you bounced off, and now you have a bullish spinning top, which actually means BONK can actually start going back up one more time. There are chances we see the market getting back up one more time, and today's Thursday, so yeah, Thursday can actually be a little bit positive. Another thing is on the 15 minutes time frame, there is a buying activity going on for BONK at the moment. So some few good progress on the smaller time frame. For example, number one, you're making in a bull cross right there, and you actually have even confirmed pretty much that you're staying above the bull cross at the moment. So if you can actually enter here, you can trade and you can put some stop losses maybe down at 2249, which is 2.45%. That can actually be a pretty decent stop loss. Now that is a good sign that you have the 15 minutes bull cross, and then you also have bullish divergence, a move to the downside here and a push to the upside on the RSI is creating in a buying activity as well. So there's a little bit of buying activity going on. Another thing is you have this support and resistance that you probably still need to kind of break. That's where the little bit of an issue still remains, that you have to yet make a break and a retest. So one touch, move down, one touch, move down, one touch, move down. The strong, not really very. The break isn't really strong right now here. This break still needs to be a little bit more stronger. So perhaps if you make it up to 2329 retest, 2287, then you have a good chance of making it up back to 2439, and that's pretty much it. But if you just come down and lose 2168, then perhaps you may continue to drop even a little bit lower, and there could be chances of creating in this descending triangle, which is actually another continuation pattern to go a little bit more lower. So basically what I'm talking about is a pennant of a downtrend, like for example, when you move to the downside, you create a pennant, you pop down, and you continue just to go even lower. So if you break above and continue up, this is going to save the day, of course. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.